Yo, what's going on YouTube? TechnicallyTee, man, and I'm bringing you guys a little slight different video today, man. We putting all tech aside, and I just wanted to make a quick thank you video to all you guys. So I know you already like, yo, why is he dressed like this? What is he about to do? I was literally about to walk out the door, and today I was planning on shooting like this video, but like in a vlog style. I wanted to do something a little bit different, but it kind of didn't turn out that way. It was on my mind to do it. It was on my mind to stop. Literally, I have somewhere to be in about 30 minutes, but it was on my mind just to stop to make this quick video, man. And I want to do this when I hit 10K, but now 10K is gone and I'm about to hit 12K. And I just want to say thank you to everybody out there who watches my channel, who keeps coming back to view my content. Now I know it's plenty of people, man, even I know it's plenty of people out there who make way better content than me, man, but you guys keep coming back, and you already know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about my day ones, man. I'm talking about Junebug, who always is showing first on my videos when I drop a video, man. We got Theodore Pullins, we got Uno Nice, we got Calvin Green, my man Steve Warman, my boy Adam Tarquini, I could be butchering your name. I mean, SC Jr., people that's been rock. I'm pretty sure I forgot somebody. My boy Joseph Hardison, all of y'all, man. Like, and I know I'm forgetting people, excuse me, but I'm just thinking about the people who's off the top of my head that's been rocking with me literally since day one, man. So I just wanted to throw out a few names, and that's just not who I'm appreciating. You know, I appreciate every one of you guys who watch, and girls out there. I know it's a few females that watch me too, so I appreciate everybody out there who watches the channel. I know I do videos that you probably don't want to see. You probably don't want to see an Otterbox case on a LG G8 or something like that. That's not what you came to the channel to see, man, but I know it's something that keeps you guys coming back when you watch my content, and to me, that's all that matters. As long as I can help somebody, and you know, if I can help somebody make a decision on my video, I don't care if the video gets 12 views. I know that I was able to help somebody. You know what I mean? Like, I love when somebody will comment down below and they'll be like, yo, you were right. I got this case, or I got this phone, and it's just like you said in the review. That's all I want to hear, man. So I take my comment section very seriously. When I tell people to comment down below and I'm gonna reply back, yo, I'm gonna reply back, and you guys know that, man. I said no matter how big I get, and I'm not saying I'm gonna get 1 million subscribers or anything like that, but I said no matter how big I get, number one, man, I'm always gonna stay true to the content. I'm never gonna say anything that I don't mean because a company sent me something or anything like that. You know, I tell these companies, you send me a product and I might make a video about it, but if it's trash, I'm gonna let you know it's trash. You know what I mean? So I try not, hey, stay real. That's one thing I always said, man, stay real. Number two, always show love to the people who show love to you, man. And that's why I comment on every single comment that I can. You know, always make time. And that's to any creators out there that's watching this, man. Always make time to sit down and respond to your comments, because a person can look in the comment section and they see that you respond to every comment, man. That goes a long way. You know what I mean? So I reply to every comment. I try to. If I miss one, man, I apologize. I'll try to go back and find it, but I made sure to comment on every video. So that's two things that I said I was gonna stay loyal to when I made this channel, man. Reply back to everybody if they have an issue, or if I can help them in any way, and two, stay true to the content, man. And I think that's part two reasons why you guys keep coming to watch my videos, man. So this is a big, big thank you, man. I don't know how I can repay all of you guys, and I know you're probably like, why is he talking like he has 1 million subscribers or something? But 10K to me feels like 1 million subscribers. You know what I mean? So that's just me. We're gonna keep growing. We're gonna keep doing it, man. I'm trying to do different things. I'm trying to give you guys different angles. I wanna start doing a vlog setup because I'm getting more comfortable talking in front of the camera, man. Because you see my first video, and I'm gonna link my first video above. It was terrible. You know what I mean? We went from shooting with S8 Pluses on car mounts right here. I shot my first video, man, literally right here, using a blanket as my background and a table lamp as my lighting source, man. So we went from that to shooting with this and having lights and shooting in 4K and having actual equipment, man. The channel has been growing, and that's all thanks to you guys for coming back to watch your boy. You know what I mean? So quick video, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys. If you've been rocking me from the beginning, you already know what it is. If you're just now joining on the back end, welcome. Get ready for the ride, man, because we got more stuff coming from the channel, man. My thing was always keep improving. That's my main objective when it comes to my channel, man, is always keep improving with the content. And that's what I want to do. I want to just provide the best and the top content for you guys. I'm just being me. I'm not trying to compete with anybody else on YouTube. I'm not getting caught up in the subscriber numbers and the data and all that behind YouTube, man. I'm doing YouTube because I enjoy tech and I have fun doing it, and I love helping my subscribers, man. So once again, man, a huge thank you for you guys out there to tune into the channel. You already know, man, if you're one of my day ones, let me know what brought you to the channel. Let me know what you like about the channel. Let me know what you don't like about the channel. I like the trolls too. I embrace the trolls, man, because that gives you something that you can work on. Trolls sometimes tell the truth. So trolls, if you down there, let me know what you don't like, man. But if the ones that rock with me, let me know what you feel in the description below. It's not the description below. Let me know what you feel in the comment section below, man. TechnicallyTee, man, I'm about to get up out of here and do what I gotta do for the day, man. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.